Top 20 Selenium Advanced Interview Questions. Question 1. What is the purpose of WebDriver wait in Selenium? A. Wait for a condition to be true. B. Pause for a fixed time. C. Execute JavaScript after a delay. D. Handle browser pop-ups. The correct answer is A. Wait for a condition to be true. WebDriver wait waits for a condition, improving dynamic element handling. Question 2. What is the main difference between find element and find elements? A. Find element returns a single element, find elements returns a list. B. Find element waits for elements, find elements returns immediately. C. Find elements works with XPath, find element works with CSS. D. Find element works only for buttons, find elements works for forms. The correct answer is A. Find element returns a single element, find elements returns a list. Find element returns the first matched element, find elements returns all matches. Question 3. What does the expected conditions class do in Selenium? A. Defines the WebDriver wait conditions. B. Controls browser interactions. C. Handles browser cookies. D. Defines implicit waits. The correct answer is A. Defines the WebDriver wait conditions. Expected conditions provide conditions to wait for, like visibility or clickability. Question 4. How can you handle JavaScript alerts in Selenium WebDriver? A. Using alert interface. B. Using wait for alert method. C. Using JavaScript executor. D. Using switch to .alert. The correct answer is D. Using switch to .alert. Switch to .alert is used to handle JavaScript pop-ups or alerts. Question 5. Which method is used to simulate keyboard inputs in Selenium? A. Send keys. B. Type text. C. Simulate keys. D. Keyboard input. The correct answer is A. Send keys. Send keys simulates typing text into an input element. Question 6. How do you handle dropdowns in Selenium WebDriver? A. Using select class. B. Using list class. C. Using dropdown selector class. D. Using input field class. The correct answer is A. Using select class. Select class is used for interacting with dropdowns in Selenium. Question 7. What is the purpose of the actions class in Selenium? A. Handling mouse and keyboard events. B. Performing AJAX calls. C. Executing JavaScript code. D. Managing WebDriver sessions. The correct answer is A. Handling mouse and keyboard events. Actions class is used for advanced interactions like drag and drop and keyboard simulation. Question 8. What is an implicit wait in Selenium? A. Waits for a specified time for elements to appear. B. Pauses the execution for a fixed time. C. Waits for a page to load completely. D. Waits for a JavaScript function to execute. The correct answer is A. Waits for a specified time for elements to appear. Implicit wait sets a default waiting time for all element searches. Question 9. How can you take a screenshot in Selenium WebDriver? A. Using takes screenshot interface. B. Using capture screen method. C. Using get screenshot method. D. Using file class. The correct answer is A. Using takes screenshot interface. Takes screenshot interface allows capturing screenshots in Selenium WebDriver. Question 10. What is the role of the Chrome driver in Selenium? A. Acts as a browser automation tool. B. Serves as a WebDriver for Chrome. C. Handles browser-specific settings. D. Installs Chrome automatically. The correct answer is B. Serves as a WebDriver for Chrome. Chrome Driver is the Selenium WebDriver implementation for Google Chrome. Question 11. Which method is used to switch between frames in Selenium? A. Switch to dot frame. B. Switch to dot window. C. Switch to dot tab. D. Switch to dot content. The correct answer is A. Switch to dot frame. Switch to dot frame allows switching between frames or iframes in a page. Question 12. What does the JavaScript executor interface do in Selenium? A. Executes JavaScript in the context of the current page. B. Handles cookies. C. Simulates mouse movements. D. Automates form filling. The correct answer is A. Executes JavaScript in the context of the current page. JavaScript executor is used to execute JavaScript code from Selenium WebDriver. Question 13. Which locator is the fastest in Selenium WebDriver? A. ID. B. Class name. C. XPath. D. CSS selector. The correct answer is A. ID. ID is the fastest locator, as it directly matches the element's unique identifier. Question 14. How do you handle dynamic elements in Selenium? A. Use WebDriver wait with expected conditions. B. Use try-catch blocks. C. Use explicit waits only. D. Use implicit waits only. The correct answer is A. Use WebDriver wait with expected conditions. Explicit waits handle dynamic elements by waiting for specific conditions to be met. Question 15. How do you perform a drag and drop action in Selenium? A. Using Actions class. B. Using Mouse class. C. Using WebDriver. D. Using Click and Hold. The correct answer is A. Using Actions class. Actions class provides methods for drag and drop functionality in Selenium. Question 16. How do you run tests in parallel in Selenium? A. Using TestNG with parallel execution configuration. B. Using Junit with multi-threading. C. Using Selenium Grid only. D. Using Maven plugins. The correct answer is A. Using TestNG with parallel execution configuration. TestNG allows running tests in parallel, improving execution efficiency. Question 17. What is the use of Selenium Grid? A. Running tests in multiple browsers and machines. B. Running tests only in Google Chrome. C. Managing WebDriver sessions. D. Capturing screenshots in real time. The correct answer is A. Running tests in multiple browsers and machines. Selenium Grid allows parallel test execution across different browsers and environments. Question 18. What is the advantage of using XPath over CSS selectors? A. XPath is faster. B. XPath is more flexible and powerful. C. CSS selectors support dynamic elements. D. XPath is more reliable in all cases. The correct answer is B. XPath is more flexible and powerful. XPath allows selecting elements based on multiple conditions, offering more flexibility. Question 19. Which method is used to execute JavaScript in Selenium? A. Execute script. B. Run JavaScript. C. Execute JavaScript. D. Invoke script. The correct answer is A. Execute script. Execute script is used to run JavaScript in the browser context from Selenium. Question 20. How can you handle browser cookies in Selenium? A. Using add cookie and delete cookie. B. Using clear cookies. C. Using manage cookies. D. Using cookie manager. The correct answer is A. Using add cookie and delete cookie. Add cookie and delete cookie allow managing browser cookies in Selenium.